Dear students, in today's practicals, we are going to learn about the beverage recipe costing. In beverage recipe costings, as you see in the screen, we are having three slides. One slide is dedicated to alcoholic items, second slide is dedicated to non-alcoholic items, and third slide contains the recipe. So in today's practicals, we'll have to find out the cost of this particular recipes, and here the recipe is of cocktail which is known as Cosmopolitan. So first of all, we'll have to see what all the things are there in the sheets. In terms of an alcoholic sheets, here we are finding there are two boxes are there. First box or the first part is related to the alcohol. Here we have mentioned about Blender's Pride whiskey, 750 ml, 880, Old Monk's Dark Rum, 750 ml, 390, Bacardi White Rum, 750 ml, 720. Likewise, under to this particular part, we have been finding there is a liquor section. Liquors are basically the alcoholic. It is basically the alcoholic sugar syrups having one flavor or the others. Like on the top of it, here we have been finding it is Bailey's Irish Creams. It is 750 ml is 1990. Drambuie 750 ml 2960. So this particular first sheet, which is alcoholic, is dedicated to the alcoholic part only. Moving to the next sheet, this is the second sheet and it is dedicated to the non-alcoholic things. Here this particular sheet has further been divided into three parts. On the top of it, here you would be finding the different types of the juices are there. Real mango juice is there, 1000 ml, that is equivalent to the 83 rupees. Real apple juice 1000 ml, it is again equivalent to the 120 rupees. And all these rates and everything has been directly been taken from either Big Basket or either from the Groofer. Moving to the cold drink and the other item sections, here we are finding we are having the Coke 2000 ml, means 2 liter approximately, it is equal to 95 rupees. Likewise, in this section itself, we have Lemonese, we have Tabasco sauce, we have WC sauce and the ice cubes. Next to the last part of this particular section, here we have been finding fruits and vegetables are there. Basically, we are requiring the fruits and vegetables because these fruits and vegetables would be requiring for making different types of the cocktails and mocktails, where we would be needing the fresh fruits. Along with that, we would be needing these fruits and vegetables for the purpose of garnish as well. Now moving to the recipe costing part of the Cosmopolitan cocktails, here if you will see the vodka is there and the amount of the vodka is 45 ml. So, and 45 ml. Next is the Cointreau or triple sec, and here the amount is 15 ml. What is Cointreau or triple sec? Cointreau or triple sec, you will have to use any one of them. Either you will have to use Cointreau or you will have to use triple sec. These are Cointreau or triple sec, both are to be considered as in liquor and they are having the flavor of an orange, and in terms of an colors they are both transparent. If we talk about the rate of the Cointreau is in proprietary liquors. Proprietary liquors means only only one particular company in the France is having the rights to use this term Cointreau. Nobody else around the world can use this term Cointreau. So if you will go to the market to find out the cost of an Cointreau, it will cost you around 1800 to 2000 rupees per bottle of 750 ml. Likewise, if we talk about triple sec is a generic version. Generic version means like any of the country can produce the triple sec. If we talk about the Indian version of the triple sec, it will cost you around 400 to 500 rupees per bottle of 750 ml. Next is cranberry juice. Here the quantity we have taken is 120 ml. Next is lemon juice. ice cubes and lemon. There is one more thing. If we talk about the video part of it, in the video I have shown like the vodka we have been using is the 60 ml. Why we have been using the vodka 60 ml in the video part of making the cosmopolitans? Because at that moment of in time we would be using the triple sec, which is of Monin company, and Monin company generally produces the non-alcoholic flavored syrups. So if we have been using the non-alcoholic flavored syrups like triple sec of the Monin company, then in that case we will have to increase the alcohol quantity from 45 to 60. And here if you are going to add 45 to 15, it will come somewhere around the 60 only. Now let's start doing the calculation part. As the first is the vodka, so obviously all the rate list and the quantity regarding the vodka we would be finding in the first sheet only. So going to the first sheet, here the vodka is there, 760 is the price and 750 is its quantity. So here we'll have to put some calculations, we'll have to put some formula. Here it will be 760 divided by 750 into 45. Likewise, if we will go to the Contro is again an alcoholic version. So this again we are going to find in the alcoholic section only. Here if you will see the triple sec or the Contro, here the triple sec has been written, it is 2000. Now you will ask me one question. Just now I have told you like the Indian version of the triple sec will cost you around 400 to 500, and here the rate has been given 2000. It is because this Joseph Carton is the imported brand. So here 2000 is the price and the quantity is 700 ml. So going to again the recipe part, it will be 2000 divided by 700 ml into 15. We're coming around 42.8 approximately, we can take it as in 43. So moving to the cranberry juice you are going to find in the non-alcoholic section. In the non-alcoholic cranberry juice, it is in the fifth point, it is 103 for 1000 ml or for 1 liter. So here also we'll have to write down 103 divided by 1000 into 120. Now moving to the lemon juice, as I told you, lemon juice is a non-alcoholic section and it is in the second part. This lemonade is basically the lemon juice, and the price of the lemonade is 75 rupees for 250 ml. So again moving to the costing, here equal to, then lemonade is 75 divided by 250 into 10 ml. So it is 3 rupees. Ice cubes, here we are going to take it 0. If we talk about the lemon, one lemon, the measure of one lemon would be around, you can say that 50 gram only, and we will find the price of the lemon in the third part of our non-alcoholic or maybe in the second sheet. So here the price of 1 kg of an lemon is 80 rupees. Here one thing we'll have to keep in our mind, here the quantity 1 is related to the kg, but there for the calculation if you are going to take, you'll have to take it in gram. So it will be 1000 gram. So again coming to here, we'll have to put equal to, so it will be 80 divided by 1000 into 50, because 50 we have considered it as the 50 we have considered it as the 50 we have considered it 50 we have considered it as the measure or the weight of one particular lemon. So summing up all the things, so here the costing is coming around 107.8, which approximately we can take it as 108 rupees. So what is our recipe costing for cosmopolitan? It has come somewhere around 108 rupees. So this is done for now, and maybe in the next practicals or in the coming practicals we are going to learn about its pricing factors also.